All right, just got this in the mail. I'm going to save you the unboxing story. It's got directions, you need those. It comes with this lightning connector that you shove in the bottom of your phone. Then it also comes with the lavalier itself right here. And it comes with a USB-C to USB regular cord, which I don't think I need to show you that, right? Everybody knows what that is. All right, so anyway, this is kind of cool. It's got a little clip on it. To turn it on, what you're going to do is just press this little button here, and you should see a green light. And right now it's showing like green, red, green, red. Let's press it again, see what happens. I'm going to press it and hold. So what that's telling me right now is that I don't have this shoved in my phone. So I have to shove this in the phone. So I have an iPhone 13 here, and I'm just going to go down to the bottom and just put this bad boy in there. There it is. It's in, ready to go. Now, if I come here and I click on here, you're going to see I've got a solid green light. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up, right? I got to do Face ID. Okay, I'm in. So there I am, right here, right? So now we're recording. And this right here, this mic, should record. So let's go ahead and hit the record button on this. Test 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna whisper it and see how it works. See if I can hear myself. Get my power back. Can you hear me? Let's find out. All right, let's see if this thing worked. All right, let's stop our recording. Let's go back and let's just turn on the microphone and play it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my... Oh, that's not the one. And this is it here. Test 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna whisper it and see how it works. See if I can hear myself. I'm gonna get way far back. Can you hear me? Let's find out. All right, let's see if this thing works. All right, I gotta say, I think this did work very well. And these are very inexpensive. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you things like this. Peace out.